part 2. Ngihleli eMalaysia namhla ngibuzisekile namuhla mina. Ngibuzisekile ngihleli netitata la kanyamazane temqulo. The band. The band la the band imbabuta sathane. The band la kanyamazane so ngihleli neMahrotman ngala nangala. Angifake emkhatsini. Ngiyaghabula. Bathi ghabula bazingabe bathi mama ngiyathwasa namhla mangithwasise. So kunasithwasise abantu abaningi ngoba hey music industry sivetini zabo leningi la malanganyana lawo so neMahrotman ufuna basichazele ukuthi ngubani sizoqala ka right teka left.
Sanibonani.
Yeah. Ngicela usonzele kancane ngoba hey singala ngasemafemini yeva ukuthi kuyagrind nje. Yeah.
Sanibonani lo kukhuluma ngoClement wakabhini.
Yeah, aka
Nyamazana.
aka stage name.
Yeah. Mtakababa.
Oh, Mtakababa.
Yeah.
Okay. Ka left.
Musa Sero Mabuba.
Yeah. Aka stage name Sero. So Mtakababa uchamuka kanjani igama lichamuka kanjani la Mtakababa? Ngoba sesentakababise nje masihlala endlini. Mina si understand phela abantu bakhona ku understand ukuthi Mtakababa uchaza ukuthini.
Mtakababa usho ukuthi wena umntwana kababa wami. So which means wonke umuntu ngiyam-embrace ukuthi usihlobo.
Yeah, sihlobo sami.
Sihlobo sami.
Vele masibanda abamnyama sonke sithi
kumele siboatisane masibanda sibothanzana.
Yeah. Oh,
chamuka kanjani Mtakababa?
Oh, okay. Lelakho Sero.
Lichamuka kuMusa. Ngalithola ibhorela phela.
Yeah.
Musa, extension yalo Musa, Musero.
Oh, Musero. Okay. So wena sasa kala ibhorweni futhi waphezulu walisebenzisa ngala stage.
No, la tikhulela ngala. Ngisebenzisa ma-fans. Ba coin
automatically vele silahamba. Yeah. So nikhulela kanyamazane both of you and nikhulela nakha something le unique. Angathi kumbe yabakhona before nini angathi but nakhe something le unique ukuthi si youth namuhla I'm sure lo kwendile bancane abakwendaka labalingana nami ukuthi bathi bafisa nami ngifisa kubamba igitara and everything lefana nale nihlangana njani nize ngicabanga nize ngigcine senakha this big band le yabakhona le bekhona ukuthi nanyalo le rana abathi sicale bani
Minyaka
miningi kakhulu.
Ya kuthi kakade before siqale le band le besivile Satana from ebuncaneni.
Yeah.
Asadlala ibhola
Oh, nihlangene ebholeni.
Ibhola ngale ngile.
Oh, okay.
But in between bokuna that music.
Oh, okay.
Then sahamba saqala sibe involved ma band lamaningi before then. But silala abanye nanyalo sikucacele sesiqalele sithethwe igama nalo yabona up to the second point last day decide uqala nje something because empilweni kunala into ukuthi mutuality common understanding.
Yeah, common understanding.
Something baningi nalo nama ideas nalo funa kwendike as discover that common ideology so babili.
Yeah.
No, so you can build something together.
Yeah.
That is why it's industry longer than me, it's not easy.
It's not easy, huh?
Yes, I mean 25 years.
Yeah, 25 years.
Oh!
Yeah.
So the nilwana.
Solo sibambile.
Yeah. Yo.
That's literal to explain ukuthi siqale kwatana before. We busy before lamanye ma project.
Yeah.
Before that.
Yeah.
Asi ngihambe ngesebenze.
Ne. Khona ufuna ukungeta Mtakababa kuhlangana kwenu.
No, so kubalile bonke.
Yeah.
Ngoba vele besatana kwa before.
Yeah.
So sikhule vele lento mhlambe sibona laba abadzala bayenza. So yena futhi bekana ukuthi wam-influence ngalento le. So nathi sikhule nje nami ngizose isona.
Yeah.
Ngiyibona ukuthi ngingabona ukuthi lento ikhona yini.
Yeah. Bayasho ukuthi unakelo nguye cishe vele lika iqale lento and nguye beka bekayifanda lena esikhathini esiningi
Yes,
ya
yes.
bathi kuhamba kwakhe inalahlekelwa kakhulu bathi wayishiya senicalile ukuyifoma le group yenu.
I-group yokuqala lesayifoma
Yeah.
he was there.
Oh, he was there, beninayo.
Sipractice ekhaya.
Okay.
Kunepiano
Yeah.
asasekhona
Yeah.
kungiyona se-encourage ayiqhubekani ngakhe nje.
Because nabanye ukuthi bekasebenza esikhathini
Yes,
esiningi that's why
bekasebenza.
bekakhona ukuthi azama ukufanda
Yeah,
fanda.
ngithenga yabona. Sesikolweni
Yeah,
njalo.
yeah. Okay. So le band yokuqala khathi yena saphile beyini kabalani?
Ngisabela.
Oh, Isabel.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Awuthi benibizwa nisabela. Laba nibiza khona benisabela.
Yeah.
Icalwa ngibande, iqhamuka nabande idea. Isabela.
lesabele kusho ukuthi khona lo mnye mngane wethu
Yeah.
so ngahlangana naye Peter uthi ngisimanga
Okay.
so then ke wangi-invite wathi hey kune piano buyasitodlala
Yeah.
so ngathi uma ngifika kusimanga ngabe senginami ngiyakusera ngiyambita ngase mngane sasitohlangana ngalana
Yeah.
yabona siwakha
Siwakha
something
something, yeah.
so which means that group consisted in Sero and Clement
Yeah.
Simanga na Eddie Collins
Oh, okay.
at that time.
Okay.
Yeah, so yakhula njalo yapho sabona lamanye ama-members.
Yeah. So ikhula mase ilapha eTulu senangaki ma-members before ize i-fall down. Benisayingaki?
Ngiyo
Babalapho ne? Oh. So yini mara mawuthi yabuka le yenda ukuthi le group ihlukane yona le. Manje siyabuka nyalo. Yini mara le yenda le group ihlukane?
Psychological differences ngoba ngisho
Angibonile.
sisaqala
Yeah.
le group situation kuqala kunale democracy
Yeah.
all the
Yeah, all
time.
the time. Yeah.
So and as said nale that experience of life,
Yeah.
experience in business, in music industry, business. At that time, the singer inclined to business because we never understood the business side of the thing, and we go now. Since the driver passion,
Yeah.
just artists love this thing, follow
That's it.
yes. And in that process, we start kuthatshwana, kuyaphiswana, yeah, yabona.
Yeah, nalomibona lomngcono nalomoya.
Yeah. The money factors how they were involved. Sangakhulu sase kancane.
Yeah.
Mental. Yeah.
Eish, yeah, no. Khona ufuna uyingeta mntaka baba kule kayibala. Lokuhlukana kwaleli qembu.
No,
Isabela.
kubalekishe
Loku standard.
Yeah, loku standard because vele isikhathini esiningi asivamise ukubona ngaleso limi. So lo munye ubona ngendlela yakhe noma ningavumelani. So
Ngiqhubekela phambili.
qhubekela phambili and awunolokhu ukuphikisana nokuthi hayi manje mina kufuna kugcine mina ngoba ngisoke time umuntu ufuna ukuthi kugcine
yena, yeah.
Yabona nje. Uma ningavumelani ngada ukuthi niquit.
Yeah. So ithatha isikhathi esinganani ukuthi nendele enye licembu futhi after lesabela. Ngisakhumbula.
Yeah.
Kuningi
Kuningi ngokwenteka ngaleso sikhathi. Lama some of the details silura ukuthi
Yeah.
ngakho. Ngoba with I think kube kuningi lokwenteke
ngaleso sikhathi leso, yeah.
ngoba because mhlawumbe sengidizikile naye sokuhambile ule
Yeah.
lapho senginalomunye ngala
Yeah.
lapho sesiyijuice
Need something, yeah.
yabo
Yeah.
kambe build up something else in the
Yeah.
process
Yeah.
yabo so my time frames easy
Yeah,
say
similar, ne?
6 months or
Yeah.
ngoba ngaleso sikhathi ngasho ukuthi sabayi example
Yeah.
ngoba neba makude makho
Okay.
kude vele
Yeah.
makho abantu abaningi artists abaningi bantu abaneleso sifiso
Yeah.
of belonging somewhere but kude ngaphandle kwethu so kufike lo nto sijoyile hey ngifuna ukuphikisa nami yabona nje people were flocking in and out
Yeah, in and out,
nabanye nje
yeah.
abanayo le passion ethi nje
Nethi
ukuthi nami ngibonakala ukuthi nami ngibonakala
Because nami nginalabantu labo.
Eh.
Eish, yeah, inkinga. Mdaka baba awusakhumbuli nawe ukuthi ngesasikhathi esinganani. So okay, le group lelenye is 2 le formeka nyalo le sustain iminyaka 25 years. Icala ngibani uchama nelicebo ukuthi hayi man.
Actually I see it's 2.
I say it's 2.
Sibe Isabella.
Yeah.
Sibe
Seasons.
Sibe Exodus. Sibe
Kuma.
Anyway.
What? Mhlawumbe khona lenye leyikhohliwe sibe triple S. Saba triple S plus. Yebo. Sahamba ilona sabe sahlangana zoyi2 sacala lenye i-concept sibita isizone.
Okay.
Ngingazami isisebenze last kakhulu.
Yeah.
But ngiyo la transformer to ichisa phela.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Until now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was 2001. That's what I decided. Let's start something.
Yeah, something.
Get to work.
Yeah.
Try. She said 2000.
Oh, le group lena le yanyalo. Yini lo ithuna la nahlala phansi uthi no.
Yeah.
Let's make it happen.
Yes.
Because onke lama group wabalako la ngathi more than 10 if I'm not mistaken. Bengizolo khona no2 kuwo onke lama group la.
Yeah.
So ngiyabona so no tot lento lena siyiphethe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngisho bona ukuthi lama clashes of ideas abantu manje ngingaconnectani. Mentally or ideologically angeke vele sustain.
Angeke.
I-relationship ifuna the mutuality.
Yeah. So leso sikhathi leso bekusethe lento ukuthi hayi ngisayine we group leso ma royalties and everything bekusethe la.
Besingakwazi.
Naso benikhona kuphuma ningene niphume.
Yeah, besingakwazi abanye bas sohoba beyasathi ukuthi
Kwendekala. Oh, because the music bengisawuyenda vele nikhipha ama album and everything.
Demo.
Yeah.
Even good radio. I remember there was a program this about people. Good radio swat, good radio to see.
Okay.
The recorder
Okay.
music kwethu sokudlala ku radio but that's now. So sesokudlala kunabanye then ma group adumile.
This was and benefits anything.
Next ukuthi kuya register
ni blank.
Hawu. Lesijabulisa ukuthi siyayiva lethu na yena polisa kwazi iphelele.
2001 into yantshintsha 2001 yathi ngifisa ukunibona ngathi nganibona ngo2000 ukuthi ngihleli kuphi siyasusa hayi manje asale senta yethu nyalo labantu sijoyina what lapho seniyathi si nama signing everything sima royalties and everything.
Yeah,
clear nyana. Ne. Yo. Niba ithuna senani sekufuna nilandzela abanye phela leni babona ukuthi hayi man nabo sibani because ngiyeva sinisebentile nesitimela ngathiwa ha. Mstosiyeni kuyekutheni.
Yeah, sibene ngathi sibene inhlanhla so ngitaba unale spear of identify.
Oh, okay.
Ngathi vele uma ni group bane ma strong point, strong la. So unala
That gift, yeah.
Identify talent, saying sesiqala lesi2.
Yeah.
But you need other musicians to perform as session artist. Yeah. Wasibona igroup, wasibona perform stage.
Yeah.
Sisebenzisa ama faces lafana but the session dibarenta kwesama services.
Yeah.
Paid. This was ngiyela ngibona sokunalo.
No, okay. Yo ngibone something they don't inkinga in future if inhlana nalabanye abantu forever.
Young no business very njani. Sifana nokuthi sifana nomuntu loyisoloist.
Yeah.
Vele usolo uyi-one to project but it dependa angeke ushaye igatari ushaye imali.
Yeah, ngeke
dependa you are outsource. Yabanye ma-artist. Kaya through your vision.
Yeah. So when lapha group ngo actor as what? Ngubani producer? What producer?
We produce together.
Oh, and producer.
Yeah.
We write everything together. Everything arranged together.
Yeah. Anisho ukuthi hayi lento lena uthi wena hayi yaphuma thena hayi mina ngiva kahle funa nize niphume ngento leyi-one.
Ihlala khona lo.
Yeah, ihlala khona.
Kuba
Yeah.
Yeah, didn't really go for something
Finally, Maris cuts become something.
Yeah.
So, when they receive, kuningi lokufaka nama ingredients
Yeah, I mean-
but ekugcineni kuba nani nalelo cake mhlawumbe nalelo cookies maybe
So mntaka baba wena lesiphiwo sokukhona ukuthi eish yabona lo yangimuva mina usikhathi ngithi ngiyajiculela nje ukuthi wena hayi mani mfana buya lana le gift uyibona njani wena le gift ukuthi hayi mani laphana singaphuma na something lapha 3-4 nyana tingoma lapha kulo muntu ya angasiculela nje mina if singahlala naye lo muntu phasi studio
angithi kusiphiwo nje ngoba wonke umuntu uma atalwa talo afundise something especially bathi upretenda esandleni sakho so ngiyacabanga nami ngiloko lengiphathiswe kona ukuthi uhamba ngidiscover lama-talent
so i-artist lokucala lowacala kulilana ngifuna like la sesicala khona senicala le ndini siyacala siyendele ma-track okucala sinecala sifuna seniphushe la elokishini khona i-artist lokucala nenacala nalo la elokishini
la elokishini cala kwethu
sokuthi kucala kwethu uma sifoma le group kukhona lesacala ku-sebenza naye Kenneth Mshwane, it's a drama besa of it wagcina sebenza na Ringo.
Ringo Matimbo.
Yeah, but that guy was in Pretoria.
Okay. Yeah, Kenneth.
Yeah, Kenneth, but ngambona somewhere emshadweni avakashengana.
Oh,
ngotini.
Yeah.
So ngabe singam-invite ukuthi man ube sizosebenza. Fortunately uma sinemsebenzi sonke isikhathi beka lo agelela idangala.
Oh. From Johannesburg etingana
Pretoria.
From Pretoria. Etingala letinto 7 soyachiva.
Yeah, so ngaba nenhlanhla ukuthi avume saphinde saya kulo mnye umcimbi futhi khona engodini kune crusade.
Yeah.
Ngabe sisangidiscover Afro Traction.
Okay.
Yeah, but nalabanye nje lo mnye umfanele omncane ubhuti wakhe sicela umoya.
Okay.
Yeah, ngoba naye Afro Traction wakamoya sicela.
Oh, okay.
So ngadiscover nalo lodlala ama-drums but Paul.
Okay.
Yeah, Paul Alexander.
Okay.
So which means sasesebenza
As a team.
as i-cheese but
Yeah.
bona bebaseshina i-cheese.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
ngoba i-cheese ayitsetshua.
Yeah.
Yeah, njengoba ayibekile sero ukuthi uyababita labanye nisebente bahambe bobhadale but always iyohlala iyijuko ngoba angithi kumana nama differences but egcineni kufanele nibe ne-mutual understanding. So most of the time uma usebentile uyathi it's okay ngizobuye ngibide futhi. Yeah, so thanks for the service. Because ngani ngilolo believe la kubo.
So ngifuna understand le Grootman Sam mslu ngasibagcina sika ku Steamer. Uqala usebenza nani kumbe uqala usebenza naye kumbe usebenza naye senivulele group yenu?
Before the cheese.
Oh, before the cheese.
Sebenza kakhulu naye. One of those groups ungengwaba.
Yeah, ungile na
labana. Yeah. Sebenza naye kakhulu even selama recordings ejoyile.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially besenda gospel.
Yeah. Sebenza naye.
Yeah,
gospel.
Yeah, Sunday gospel.
Yeah. Okay.
Sebenza kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngomunye ma-artist la walandela ngaleso sikhathi. Weba ukuthi nima yendeka ngalokuye wasijoyinela.
As a drama and a singer.
Oh, okay.
Tema wa drama sesafuna savula le group lesibita i-seasons.
Okay.
Yeah. Seasons ay drama kala ama-drums na uyakhula.
Okay.
Yeah. Saqhubeka naye futhi kule group Triple S.
Okay. Yeah, na Mr. Sam.
Yeah, Sam, yeah.
Okay.
Sebenza kakhulu before the cheese.
Oh, before the cheese.
Abavele njengoba ngisho mhamba kuphela.
Yeah. Oh, so yavutha bafowethu bavulichisa ngiyakubo soshisa yonke le ndawo.
No, asikhathini bekasale kulenye yakhe change.
Oh, ayiwa.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ngisayicala sonke naye but banalo.
Yeah, but differences.
Yeah.
Yo,
But sikuseni.
yeah. So yena utholakala kanjani ku Steamela? Because ngicishe ninonke bamphika kanjani utholana kanjani usekela ku Steamela? Siyarana Steamela. Yarana to Steamela like abaphathi umphasa to Steamela.
Oh, Sam ngathi wa Shuba bekawetsanza kakhulu isitimela.
Yeah.
Ya nalindini kumuntu ohlala practice music isitimela awutsanza kakhulu awadi music.
No.
Ya then ngoba nalinye yabona lokho kahle kahle. Kufuna
ngimbitile usakekho around ngimbitile ngicelile bangiphile ama-contact akhe sengikhulumile naye usakekho around anytime soon sizoba sishoot.
Yeah ngoba khona ishow isitimela labathola ukuthi Ray akekho.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Kunegebhe lise-on ishow walanzwa yena.
Okay.
Feature lapho ngilaba nalabo bebangamazi.
Yeah.
Kahle kahle ungena uyichaza.
Yeah, ngeke uyichaza kahle. Yeah, hey no bathi ngonje like yadi basi kulova kwalomunye kuvumbuke wena ngilase bathola ngive ngilalele nestory sang I think Tracy Chapman because there was a show lebeyikhona and bababidele artist ngathi la ngase khona attend labanika Tracy Chapman and they never believe in Tracy Chapman that much. Yeah, you get a first ka niyawaqala khona bathuka abantu abaningi and it became like that. Yeah, ishisa ikhotha. Nifika njani eJoburg from Mpumalanga to Gauteng?
Joburg siya competition bayibita Old Mutual Chess and Count.
Okay.
Yeah, so sa computer, so we managed to obtain position 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ningena njani la competition?
Ukuthi bothumela i-demo yakho then bayilalele sebayasho ukuthi niya qualify. So fortunately babe basiphendula ukuthi niya qualify, so you must come to compete. Yeah, so with the likes of Muslaila Slaughter.
Okay.
Yeah, we managed to compete now. Yeah, macro yafana na
ni top 3 benga kula group level ni like the competition bengana ngaka top bani before in fact top 3
ngoba yalasta langa lonke leya competition.
Ngisho ukuthi nize ngigcine ngitholakala ukuthi compete nalama ama group nize nominate ukuthi ni qualify nini on napa top 3 lelo nayo.
Yeah, sathumela demo.
Le demo, okay. Okay. So ni napa top 3 ko on lama group level yakhona lapha. So the top 3 beyiphuma nani? Top 3 ngicela kuba ngigcine kuba top 3 ngigcine top 5.
Ngoko bekela le top 3 but akukho lesitholile lokwaba interesting ngasikithi ukuthi the boy lakhuluma ngayo Kenneth Shwana. Nguye lo wina outstanding artist of
outstanding performance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Drama.
Baba kamba kwakhe ngithi ngoba wathatha umbongo ngapha banje masikawu. Yeah.
Then of late sabe simbona sadlala nabo.
Oh, okay.
Akasijabulisa kakhulu.
Yeah.
Umbona thubekela phambili.
But you azakhohlwa ka because some of us yakhohlwa say ngibuya ku because it's one of the people mkambi maseka lapha ku top la ngiyofuna avulele iminyango zona so accessible le minyango.
No, the friendship yakho ngoba kuma date sihlangana hamba naye states sonke as friends. Lethola venela bekasasebenza kulinye environment.
Yeah.
But angizami ukulahleke le.
Usaphila but nya.
Uyaphila.
Solo usachubeka ngaye with that music.
Because it's so but
it's next time.
Yo. Ilona lengathi balwe kakhulu kwi-street.
Yeah.
Uqala ukuthi le that was I think February 2001.
Yeah.
I was starting Kuma was scouted
Lama artist.
Ngasho ukuthi mina more of a coordinator, manager.
Yes.
Figure lapho.
Okay.
Manage to run the office, negotiate ama deals and everything. So since siqala le group kune festival because yendeke la showground ngo March.
Okay.
And gonna like promoter that promotion company by Vita is the promotion.
Okay.
Now approach a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah, one week is about the meeting with topic. No. Make group la. Start feature.
Yeah.
But I'm a process and buta one. Hey, let's abantu bangaka I'm chair of no. Let's your polish. I'm Ngazi before lelo la kune build up session labanayo
Cultural Cultural Center.
No, okay.
eMatsulu.
Okay.
yeah no fikani lapha ngibona
Yeah, awuqala nifikele before
Yeah.
the big event. Yeah.
sayipreparela sahamba saya lapha sa-invite-wa producer abayidiscuss producer
Sizwe Zakho.
ngoba bekunalama ima-artist
Okay.
bo-Ray Phiri wathe icela ningibheke sayi-toilet sanika nama-chords asipha ama-chords number so ngoba ngathi basinika about 3 songs sahamba estage ngithi
Eish.
ya ngithi
Yeah.
angabhelieve naye
Wasayena.
lapha sebakhaya
Yeah. Yeah.
then we did well futhi nakule session yethu lapho wayi-impressed
Okay.
waqala kusipromote from lapho waqala ukuvela kithi sasibuka out
Yeah.
sihamba nale
Nalipend.
ya ibhend yokuqala kuphuma front page kusowethela singakazi sirekhode singakazi
Yo.
yena sasipusha-ke ngoba ngumele wacala noma lesigaladilas
Okay.
segaladina bakunegaladina
Mm.
kuba nepend
Mm.
background
Yeah.
mangabe kuyadliwa lapha so ngithi sisihamba nathi specialize kuleyo environment leyo so ngiko la sa pick up khona ngoba saba exposed to ma promoters lamaningi
Yeah.
even government
Yeah.
department sabaphukathi ne direct manje
Okay.
Mozambique Swaziland siya travel
Yeah.
so that was that's part
Likhulu
yaba
yeah.
yes.
Ne. Yo. So nyalo nani ne record label yeni ukuthi bas mafuna kusayina ku everything lefana naleyo nemtaba.
Yeah, sine level yethu Chisa.
Yeah.
Yeah, Chisa Records.
Yeah.
But kwamanje sisa concentrate ku Chisa.
Yeah.
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 Mhlambe of late mhlambe si discover talent
Yeah.
sibona charisha mhlambe siwa record.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Onyalo lakule lona yini rano no 2.
Yeah, kwamanje sa focus ku Chisa.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
So Chisa i-backing band futhi ma
For various artists like
Yeah.
khona linye artist la seMozambique baseMoise but kule ingoma lethi bakuchaba kubeleka.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yakusaba kubeleka.
Yeah, so she came down lana samdeka lapha official show.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, my disappointment le group ngiyava like my disappointment le kandiphula moya. Ekwaza mntaka baba sale siyekele. Senyalo senivulele Chisa so.
akukazi kufike la ukuthi siyeke
Yeah.
but ku-disappointed vele sidisappointed
Yeah.
kakhulu lokuthi kube ngilabanye kube bayekele
Yeah,
but
yeah.
thina sikaze
Fike lapho le point haya
siyekele
siyekele.
shuke no
Mm.
we always pin that hope
Yeah.
next time itolunga
Itolunga.
maningi ma-disappointed even government
Mm.
they don't pay us well
Yeah.
they don't pay us we struggle
Mm.
akuna deposit akuna accommodation travel so performa somewhere kumele uphize drive ubuye ekhaya
Yeah.
kuleyo madlala lengeke ngiba bengasatisfied bathini leyo ingasiloneli ukuthi sikwadi kurana because band music
It's business. Yeah.
ngirana ngecapital
Yeah.
kureheza uma ngabe ungibhukha ku-event yakho you spend about 7 days prepare
Ah. Oh.
because kumele sideliver to
Quality.
the sub yes the client uyosibhadala imali le-half kumele sispendile ukuprepare transport sound system accommodation kuningi nje
Yeah.
lenye some of the artists njengoba abala ukuthi lama ima-artist sihlala engozini akahambi nayo
Yeah. And then ifuna buya phethe something ngale nje ukuthi emsebenzini.
so maningi ama-disappointment kakhulu
Ngibukana
lesingeke siwarekhode yana ngoba besingawabeki emqondweni ngoba once isitore sathi
Yeah, very much.
some of the events la-overseas maningi mamaloro esiwatholile on the eve ukuthi nyalo sesibhizi ngevisa ukuze basitshele ukuthi seyi-hijack kwenkuluka bhala ekhaya futhi ngeke ngimbalele
Yeah.
so kusasa kumele umbone lo muntu uyamhlonipha
Yeah.
uyobold yakho uhleke naye ukuthi ngithanda but
Yeah, kusibonekele.
yabo so kuningi kakhulu esike
nikubani. So what makes you guys ningasayini ku record label thizeni?
Kulula ukuthi utendele ngoba isikhathini esiningi ma-record companies bese kufika stage lana kumele asilite khona nabaculi ukuthi mhlambe abashaye ama-hits because ama-companies anodictate ukuthi manje ama-artists kumele ende njani ashaye i-hit basho ukuthi i-hit ushaye njengaloya yakubona but fortunately manje kungcono ngoba uyakhona ukwenza lo believela kuko uyabona lo music lo believela kuko so akekho lo manje shaya njengabani sound njengabani because ngane egcineni wena unique everyone une
talent
person so kufuna ube nguwe so nathi sibelievele ukuthi sifuna ukukhipha lesiphathiswe kona and ichisa inalo le phathiswe kona yaba different kunabanye
yo phela ngokushiyela ngaphandle ngingabudanga amanithi niyabuka
ngiyacabanga mhlambe abantu bangafisa kwathi ukushisa usho kuthini
mina ngikwazi uyashisa vele like yashisa vele ayishisa mpama yeah okay chaza kushisa
shisa uchaza cultural heritage sound of Southern Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. So sihlanganisa those sound
all of them.
Yeah, all of them. Ngaba mbhaqanga ngaba ngileke nje inhlobo but siyahlanganisa konke sikwenda yona le one.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's the meaning of chisa.
Iqhamuka nabana igama la chisa. Kumbe ngiqhamukile amagama nathi hayi asibuke says here we go certainly. But I'm very new to this guy. We're gonna competition kakhulu. We're gonna competition kakhulu ukuthi njani. But how far guys like because not usifisa kunibona njengawo lona. Bositimela saladi guys say.
Yeah, ngasho ukuthi sisebenzile kakhulu ngoba kune album lesayi record. I Happy Children.
Okay.
So sisayi pusha namanje. Yeah, and of late kunomsebenzi lesesiwendile futhi. Yeah, isingle kumele iphume. Yeah, isingle esibize ngayo manje.
Lo mnyaka lo.
Yeah, so soon tawuphuma nje. Yeah, so it's title yakhona. Masawela yawana.
Okay. Bokuthini manje? Basabela abantwana.
Masawela yawana. Futhi ngumdlalo wabantwana. So abantwana abadlala like njengoba abantwana kumele badlale so akusilula kubona ingoti and ufuna ba explore nabo abantwana so abantwana kumele badlale ba explore mara sibavikele singabahlukumezi
so sorry kancane literally the project le this design le ngasho ukuthi ilona i-pick i-career yethu yeah lesi ile department kakhulu kithi because thina sibhilivela Lauenburg yeah so sibuke kakhulu le sketch isikora ya usibantwana babulawa abantwana bagobela imvamento so sifaka kakhulu sifaka kakhulu le emphasis to the song yokuvikela abantwana. So want to protect not everybody have a part this project. It's a big thing. To be a big project. That's why we like gradually. Like involve our stakeholders. The money which is banging see in a song, in some videos, educate especially matter of Malu. Bantwana protected ngabe badlala abantwana so unyamalele abantwana so yafuna lapha abantwana so ungaphasi kwelona yabona siyabona nyalo sikwendeka kakhulu so kuze to keep this situation funa ukuthi the artist ukuthi you are a voice sine voice yakhona kuhamba ihambe ifike mabanga so sizaba kusha kakhulu this this project.
Okay.
Yeah, along those lines.
Yeah.
So like ibe campaign,
Okay.
very big
Okay.
campaign that of Amazibayo. Stakeholders of government and all of these things. So sisekugcineni kwayo. Sisebenza kancane ukuthi complete and sisiyaqala sibuka the next process. Process
yeah, with the market kanjani.
simakhetha kanjani, umphakathi uinvolve kanjani. Ngathi nje i-theme lesinayo lendulu
Okay.
passionate lesifisa ukuthi ihambe ifike. Yeah.
So ma-artist eniwafakile la le album lesiwatiyo lesingawadi but akhona ma-artist enisebenza nabo.
Yeah, khona.
Yeah.
Akhona ama-artist esisebenza nawo
Yeah.
le project. Sisebenza naPapa Ndlovu,
Okay.
sisebenza naPito, sisebenza
Michael Mkwena.
then ikhona ama-artist esatowayo
Ufisa kwa invite.
yeah usatowa.
October iphathi fake something.
Yiphi artist enifisa ukuthi ngathi ngaba khona kule project eliyi-one? Ngiyabona singaba nalo yikho into yothi ngaba ngqona. Ngingaba right.
So far besingakacabanga
Ukuthi ngibani, yeah.
artist lelo ngoba lokubaluleke kakhulu ile message
I-message, yeah.
nakuthi isinte kahle.
Yeah.
Even noma ngabe artist lengakadumi but umuntu okhona
Uyibeka
contribute
lento
to
iyayivakala.
no contributions ifuna ngendlela eningi not necessarily being artist.
Yeah, yeah.
Yabona ngaba ne campaign
Yeah.
nani njengawo media.
Yeah, media. Yeah.
Bonke nama stakeholders
Yeah.
afana nalawo
Yeah.
atu pusha lelo.
The project. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's not about being telling us man busy prepare something. Sibe live nje. Sibe live. Ibonakale live lento umuntu akhona kuyifeel because lento more waves spirit, you understand? Bantu connect ndlela ehlukile. So banithola njani labafisa kunisupport, labafisa kunibooka, labafisa ukubaphatha niphasela le band, labafisa kufaka something le project leniyendawo nya?
You can contact Papa Ndlovu
Yeah.
ngoba sisebenza naye kule project same wavelength.
Okay.
We produce any product.
Oh, okay.
It's the one lo connect understand the initiative ufaka ama-efforts
Oh, okay, okay.
behind it.
Oh,
So
okay.
ngasho ukuthi umuntu unfortunately number yakhe anginayo ngehloko.
Yeah.
Really.
Okay.
But you can go to page like
Okay.
Papa Ndlovu.
Pare Papa Ndlovu.
Papa Ndlovu,
Where
yeah.
on Facebook, Instagram, whatever.
Yeah, Facebook.
Oh, Facebook. Oh,
yeah.
Papa Ndlovu.
Contact nathi uchisa i-email address is chisaband. Chisa is CHESSA
Okay.
band
Okay.
BAND
Okay.
@gmail.com.
My contact number, WhatsApp, Facebook. And
Yeah, kukhona.
No, no.
I-Facebook page vele ithi Sero Maluba
Okay. Oh, yeah.
yeah, or even Chisa ikhona i-page Chisa,
Yeah.
yeah. And then it's a 082, it's a number 0824082079.
Only for business purposes. You can repeat the first.
0824082079. Business purposes.
Business purposes. Khona lo nawe mhlambe labafuna contact wena. Khona labanye phela bafuna contact wena direct. Labanye bafuna contact le group ya di politics yala mhlambe.
Yeah, bangangithola ku 0729171759.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mtakababa.
Mtakababa.
Yeah.
Yeah, because funa sipromote neni sakhaneni sicineni siphambili ngoba kumadini. Yeah, because njengoba ngisho ukuthi if sifuna sibe live yabona le group le Facebook page yethu ya live. Yonke ama project leniwendawo niyawafaka lapha abantu abaningi social media, ngibe ne YouTube page. Yabo ngifaka nje ama project lawo nje yabo. Nibe nemuntu nje active lokhala anifakela ama project lawo. Bana abaningi khona la yofika ithi yeah. Because i-media ngiyole run everything. Without media with nothing. Yeah. Sivala sithini tuwe youth lekhona nyalo because sisase September tuwe langa le heritage. Yeah. Le tingolo. So sivala sithini in last Pretoria village was a heritage day. It was Wednesday. The week of 24. Yeah, 24 September heritage day. Sivala sithini sicala ka right sigcina ka left shisampama
ngiyakholwa ukuthi singama-Afrika siyazi ukuthi sisuka kuphi siyaphi
Yeah.
sibhetheni
Yeah.
so kumele si-embrace amasiko ethu ngokuhlukana kwethu
Yeah.
as ma-Africans
Kahle kahle.
singabukeli elinye isiko
Yeah.
mhlawumbe liphasi or
Yeah.
elinye lingcono
Kunalelinye.
kunelinye onke
Singabukeli
lamasiko
phasi.
nalama-cultures abalulekile
Kakhulu.
yeah ngoba singama-Afrika sonke
Yeah.
yeah.
Africa Unite.
bantwana bafunde
Yeah.
kakhulu bantwana ngifuna ku-emphasize kakhulu
Yeah.
bantwana bethu abayi esikolweni
Yeah.
go to school is not easy
Yeah.
uma ngabe ubuka ngithatha kurefera kithi
Yeah.
ngoba I understand
Yes.
ourselves
Yeah.
better
Yeah.
ubuka lo nyaka about 25 years down the line
Yeah.
it's not easy
Yeah.
and nyalo sokuba west kunalesi sikhathi esibuya kuso uma ngayi esikolweni kunema-contract
Yeah.
kunema-interviews afana nalawo kumele
Yeah.
ukwazi express
Yeah.
kumele kune-industry kumele uyi-understand
Yeah.
and uma ukayi esikolweni you never understand
Yeah.
bantu bathi they will get batakurobha
Yeah.
bayarobha kunema-sharks kunebantwana labane-passion
Yeah.
music
The music. Yeah.
but abahati ukuthi yini music what's the industry
Yeah. That's it.
i-industry operate njani uma
Yeah.
waka esikolweni our economic dispensation iyaphansi and talent vele ungaphila nalo but may don't understand the talent goes with so many things
Yeah.
ungamani nje kuseyini ungena lapha
Yeah.
udinga standard 5
Yeah.
standard 5 it's not easy vele ngifuna ku-emphasize ukuthi abantwana bethu abahambe
Yeah.
ale esikolweni with the background the education then they can go in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nina angising le bathi manje company le yokusayinisa abantu bagcine kusasa uvathi yonke into yakhe yini ye-company but cula mina kumbe le ngoma kuqhamuke nami idea gcine kutholakala yonke kwenu because ngisayinekile because siyakubona nyalo like i-industry yentela.
Ngiyo le ngisho kona
Lokusho
ukuthi you have to understand
Yeah, I need to understand.
ngoba utakimi awunalutho
Awunalwazi.
ngokuqala nje uDavid said spend
Yeah. Investor ku.
David nekudla spend material
Yeah.
yami everything the marketing then you investor buyer
Yeah.
must recoup
Kahle kahle. Must come
so
back.
the problem ukuthi sine bantu sifuna sibuka the Facebook
Yes.
ngitshela ukuthi nawu sengisebenzile urecording sasa ngifuna ukuthola ngiganyile
Yeah.
ngihamba gradual
Yes.
kunemali the capital
Yeah.
ngihamba behind the craft
Yeah.
behind everything kumele ibuye back to the
Yeah.
company ukuze nayi-sustain
I-company.
then in the long run siyaqala manje iyakubo
Mm.
because it's an investment
Yeah.
it's not always the case ukuthi bantu bayaroja
Yeah.
I don't think so
Yeah.
well somehow bayaroja but we have to understand lo kusayinawo wena read
Sayinela.
take copy
Yeah.
let the contract uyise kuloya yakho somebody you understand that
Better.
contract
Mm.
akufunzele usayine into loyathini
Eish. Eish, asayivala. Sayimbonya.
siyayibona
Sayibona.
Hayi no stop lenza part 3 ngelanga
Yeah.
the project seyiphumile seziyimarket and
Yeah.
everything.
Yes, definitely siya appreciate kakhulu
Guys, cela nibabhukhe ma-Grootman. Emcimbini, ephathini, malobolweni, emshadweni, everywhere, family gathering whatsoever, babideni. Yeah,
it always come
kahle kahle.
yeah
Yeah, they don't come in numbers, bancane, group encane.